In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use fluxcharts price action indicator in Tradingview. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting your journey, understanding price action is key to making informed decisions in the market. The fluxcharts price action indicator is a powerful tool designed to help you interpret raw price data and identify important patterns, trends, and signals. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to find, set up, and utilize this indicator to enhance your trading strategy. Let's dive right in. To begin, open Tradingview on your device. Tradingview is a fantastic platform for chart analysis, and it's where you'll find the fluxcharts price action indicator. If you don't already have a Tradingview account, you can use the link in the description to sign up. Once you're logged in, pull up the chart of the asset you're currently analyzing, as we'll need it to add the indicator. Next, locate the indicator section at the top of your chart. This is where you can access a wide variety of tools and indicators to customize your chart. Depending on your version of Tradingview, the indicator section may appear as a compass icon or a magnifying glass. Take a moment to find it, and once you do, click on it to open the search bar. In the search bar that appears, type price action. This will bring up a list of price action indicators available for use in Tradingview. The reason we search for price action is that it helps filter out irrelevant tools, showing you indicators specifically designed to analyze price movements in real time. Now, review the list of indicators that appear. You'll likely see options like fluxcharts toolkit or other similar tools developed by different creators. Hover over each option to check its ratings and read the descriptions. This is an important step because it allows you to choose an indicator that aligns with your specific trading needs. Look for one that has strong reviews and a description that resonates with your trading style. Once you've found a price action indicator that appeals to you, go ahead and select it. Keep in mind, if the first one doesn't meet your expectations, you can always experiment with others. Tradingview makes it easy to remove indicators and try new ones, so don't hesitate to explore. After you've added the indicator, observe the changes that appear on your chart. You might notice new visual elements like lines, zones, or signals being displayed. These are designed to give you additional insights into market trends and price behavior. Now, it might take a moment to adjust to the new information being presented, so don't worry if it feels overwhelming at first. Take a pause here and analyze the added elements on your chart. This step is crucial for understanding how the indicator works. Spend some time familiarizing yourself with the layout and the purpose of each visual feature. For example, you may see support and resistance zones, trend lines, or reversal signals. These elements are there to help you interpret price movements and make better informed trading decisions. Next, focus on identifying the key features of the price action indicator. Look for elements like support and resistance zones, which highlight key levels where the price may reverse. Pay attention to trend indicators that show you the overall market direction, as well as reversal signals that can warn you of potential shifts. These features are invaluable for traders, as they help you go beyond raw price data and provide actionable insights you can use in real time. Now that you've identified these features, use the indicator to concentrate on real-time market activity. Price action indicators are designed to minimize distractions from lagging elements, allowing you to focus on the live interaction between buyers and sellers. This approach can significantly improve your ability to adapt to market changes and make smarter trading decisions. Finally, practice using the indicator to become comfortable with its signals and functionality. Like any tool, it may take time to fully understand how to use it effectively. Don't rush the process. Experiment with different settings, test it on various assets, and learn how it integrates into your overall trading strategy. The more you practice, the more confident you'll feel in leveraging the indicator to its fullest potential. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.